IAIR Awards Excellence in Global Economy and Sustainability took place on October 10, 2014 in Milan at Palazzo Mezzanotte, headquarters of the Italian Stock Exchange. Both global companies and local excellences have been awarded and recognized for their leadership in strategic fields like innovation and sustainability. There were more than 40 companies that attending, coming from Europe and overseas. Among them were Thomas Piketty, Most Influential Man of the Year, Philips, Subaru, BBC, VM Software, Deutsche Bank, and Argon Asset Management.
Now the Excellence in Asset Management, Corporate Social Investment, Africa. The winner is Argon Asset Management for its ability in combining global standards with African investment needs, helping the growth of new projects in the continent thanks to its diversified managed products for institutional clients. Following principles like corporate social responsibility, integrity, and accountability, Argon has become the point of reference for South African but also worldwide investors.
Mr. Seseli, Argon Asset Management won the IAIR Awards 2014 as Excellence in Asset Management, Corporate Social Investment in Africa. How would you like to comment on this victory?
It's fantastic. This is a really great season for us. It will be the fourth accolade that we're receiving in a very short space of time. So we're very pleased. A lot of work has gone into building the firm into where we are today. We're passionate about that which we do, which is serving clients and investing money on their behalf. And we're generating great performance, which is also part of the reason why we're here. Yeah, it's a tough space, but stewardship has its own responsibilities, and I think that we're doing a very good job at it. So I'm very, very pleased on behalf of my team, and I guess the broader Argon family and all of our stakeholders that we've gotten to this point.
Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
Your tagline is an African investment firm with global standards. You have an important role to help the growth of African investment industry. And are your commitment to corporate social responsibility and to these global standards the keys of your success?
Certainly, they play a part. I think that if you look at world economies and societies in general, I think that you will see there's a lot of contestation. There's a lot of inclusivity required. A lot of systems exclude people, including certainly one of the things that we try to do as Argon Asset Management. The history of South Africa is very well documented. You know how a major part of society was previously excluded from society. So one of the key things that we do is trying to affirm, or rather not trying to affirm, but affirming that part which previously was disadvantaged, not recognized in the system. So responsibility for us or corporate social responsibility, as you're talking about it, is a part of responsible citizenry, and we take that very seriously. That said, investment standards need to be global, right? Increasingly, the operating environment is a global one. Not just for our clients from South Africa trying to access global investment opportunities, but certainly from outsiders trying to access opportunities in Southern Africa. And we're ready to partner with that particular stakeholder. So yes, those two key things are very important to us.
Your clients are above all institutional investors.
Yeah.
How are you able to meet the needs of such a discerning guests, so it's particular clients, institutional investors?
I think that what we're trying to do is really appeal or play at a different level of consciousness. I think for a long time how industry generally has related with clients is to speak at and not to gain a deeper understanding of their needs. And for us at Argon, what we try to do is understand client need intimately and respond appropriately with solutions that meet their needs. Of course, it's a space that is always evolving. And as I said, from a South Africa point of view, now we're investing a lot more offshore So an appreciation for the offshore environment also very critical. That's one of the ways in which we're trying to meet consumer need.
And now, what are your future goals and projects?
More of the same, more of the same. I think that with all of the accolades that we've received, we're growing into much bigger significance, not just in South Africa, Southern Africa, but also globally. The fact that we're in Italy today to receive an award from an esteemed institution like yourselves speaks to the recognition or the geography, rather, that we're now playing into. So that becomes very important. Talking to investors outside of our natural domain, which is Southern Africa. And I guess, as I said, continuing to generate very good performance and continuing to be relevant. If you're not relevant in the client space, through generating good performance and through the inclusivity that I spoke about, I think you'll find yourself struggling in an environment that is fast changing.